In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your text layers in CapCut by adding a shadow effect that will make them stand out beautifully. We're going to walk through the steps to create a visually appealing text shadow, giving your video text that extra pop and dimension. First, let's start with selecting your text layer. This is the baseline for everything we're going to do next. Take a moment to ensure that your text layer is selected in the timeline. This will typically open up the editing options and allow us to manipulate the properties of the text. If you're not sure, look for the layer called Text, or check for the highlighted text block, confirming that you're ready to make changes. With the text layer selected, turn your attention to the right panel. Here you'll see a range of options tailored to modify your text. Scroll down until you find the Shadow section. It's initially disabled, so go ahead and click to enable it. This small step is crucial as it activates all the shadow settings we'll be using to fine-tune our effect. Now that the shadow option is enabled, we can get into the fun part, adjusting the shadow settings for the perfect look. First, let's talk about color. The color of your shadow can make a huge difference depending on the mood and tone of your video. For a dramatic look, you might choose a dark or black shadow. If you're after something more playful, maybe a lighter or colored shadow is the way to go. Select a color that complements but doesn't overpower your text. Next, we'll look at blur. Adjusting the blur can soften the edges of your shadow, giving it a smoother appearance. A high blur setting results in a soft, diffused shadow, while a lower setting will have sharper edges. It's important to find a balance that enhances your text without looking too harsh or hazy. Opacity comes next. This controls how transparent or solid your shadow appears. A lower opacity makes the shadow appear more subtle and less noticeable, whereas a higher opacity will create a bold, striking look. Again, the key is experimentation. Tweak until you find the opacity that best fits your aesthetic. Lastly, let's adjust the offset. The offset determines how far away the shadow is cast from the text. Play around with the horizontal and vertical offset settings to create depth. A slight offset can create a neat look, whereas a large offset can create a more dramatic effect. Consider how these adjustments interact with your overall composition. And there you have it. By selecting your text layer and enabling and adjusting the shadow settings, you'll give your video text that additional layer of flair and professionalism. Practice and experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect fit for your project. Thanks for watching and happy editing.